In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy penny stocks on your Fidelity brokerage app. So what you want to do is go ahead to your app, go ahead and load that up, your Fidelity app, and to search the stock that you want to buy, go to the magnifying glass at the very top right-hand corner here, and go ahead and type your stock in. So I'm just going to type in one that I already searched, and we're going to choose this one. And when this loads up, go ahead to the very bottom where it says buy. This just gives you all of the information about the stock itself. So we're going to go ahead and click buy, and then put in the amount of shares that you want to do. Make sure you're in the correct account if you have more than one. Fidelity is going to make you put in the price that you want to buy the stock at, and then go ahead and hit preview at the very bottom. This will give you a final preview of what your transaction is going to look like, and you go ahead and hit buy. And that's it. That's how you would buy penny stocks on your Fidelity brokerage app on your iPhone. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.